Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so excited that you joined me today, and I'm excited to show you what I'm going to be making. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. Today's project is going to be the final results only because I had a hard drive crash and lost the actual video of the progress of the cup. So I'm just going to talk you through what I did to create this one. I started with a 30-ounce modern curve stainless steel cup. I spray painted it white and then covered it with DecoArt Dazzling Metallics Rich Expresso, and then come back and wiped it at an angle to try to get a vintage look. I went online and I found a looked like parchment look for the We the People, and I printed that out, and then I tore off the top part and then come back with the Rich Expresso and dabbed it around the edges. I also sealed this front and back with 3 layers each of the clear matte spray paint or spray sealer because I didn't want my resin to bleed through the paper. And then I attached it to the cup using Mod Podge. Put Mod Podge first on the back, then on the front, and then I put it on the cup and then smoothed it out with additional Mod Podge and then let it dry. And then once I had that on there, I did a layer of Resin, resin, which is a 1-to-1 ratio. Made sure that it was nice and smooth because I wanted to add this waterslide decal. And I purchased this one online, and I wanted it to stretch as far around the cup as I can make it stretch, and cover up the part of the We the People. So it has the One Nation Under God, the flag, and then it has this cross in the center. And I tore the piece of the where it says We the People. I tore that and put part of it down here at the bottom so it looks like it comes through the top of the decal and exits down through the bottom. And then on the back, this cup I made for my sister, so I put her monogram on there, and I found these really cool flag looking letters, and I thought it just went perfect with the design of the cup. So I added those there, and then I coated everything again in a couple layers of the Resin resin, getting it all nice and smooth. And this is the final results. I think it really turned out kind of cool. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please click like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do so now, and you'll be notified when I upload future videos. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below because I always love to hear your feedback, and I do try to answer everyone. The description of everything that I used will be listed below in the description box below this video. I want you to know that I do appreciate you taking your time to watch my video. All those things that I mentioned, subscribing and sharing and commenting and watching the video itself, you make my channel grow, and I really, really, really appreciate that. I love the way this turned out. It's got that, it does have that vintage look to it, and I think that that it turned out perfect. I have already given it to my sister, and she was so excited, so that made me happy too. So I want to thank you again for watching, and I want to invite you back. Hope to see you in my next Creative Escapade. Bye bye for now.